People in the town of Wiltshire in Lincolnshire being told to avoid using toilets, showers and washing.
We were just talking about it just now. Nick Dewars managed to see the red arrows and the 747 on Saturday, which I was very envious about. The highlight for me was just seeing my son. He's been away for a whole week on work experience. He's away for another week.
Brussels has promised to work with Boris Johnson to achieve an orderly Brexit, but warned it would mean ratifying a withdrawal agreement he has already declared dead. Mr Johnson is expected to address the 1922 committee shortly and will take over at Downing Street on Wednesday and start building his cabinet once Theresa May has taken part in the Prime Minister's questions and offered her resignation to the Queen. The LBC Markets report a short time ago, the FTSE 100 was up 58 points at 75.72, the pound buying $1.24 and a euro 11. LBC weather, many areas of the UK staying dry with clear spells tonight. Thunderstorms though in the south and southwest, moving northeastwards, a low of 13. Tomorrow plenty of warm sunshine for most again with a high of 34 degrees. From Global's newsroom for LBC, I'm Lisa Aziz.
Lyrics from a really famous song. Can you name the song? Can you name for me the solo British performer of this song as well? 08000 28 3366, or send me a text. Start your message with the word Wiltshire. You need to put the name of the song, the name of the artist and your name, and send it in to 81333. You know how it works. There's no sign of life. Sounds a bit grim, doesn't it? It's actually a really good song. There's no sign of life. Can you name the song from which those lyrics are taken? That's Musical Diversion from BBC Wiltshire. And this is Depeche Mode.
Police are still at the scene. Detectives still working here as this carpet of flowers continues to grow, with people paying their respects.
Species James Ingham with that report. So it's 13 minutes past 7. Good morning, BBC Wiltshire, and John over breakfast today.
Extra glossy, so cheeky. But I think they've probably written from experience. Hey, I'm not saying that for sure. I'll play that for you in a second.
Around all the national parks in England and many of the areas of outstanding natural beauty as research for the forthcoming review of national parks. He was appointed by the previous Environment Secretary, Michael Gove. Good morning.
Good morning.
Inspecting poo bins and many other things besides, I'm sure.
Real issues, yes.
So you're coming up with these proposals for quite a dramatic change.